Hello students, in the first part of the poem 3 Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda, we have seen that the poet asked humanity to count numbers from 1 to 12. 12 here means the number of hours shown in a clock or the number of zodiac sign. He requests everyone not to speak because language creates barriers between people. The moment when everyone stops moving their body will be very special and different, as we have never experienced such a moment before. Then in the poem, in stanzas, first 3 stanzas that we have learned, the poet says that in this poem of inactivity, the fishermen would not harm the whales. The salt gatherers will not halt their hands. Those who are busy destroying the nature will adopt a new approach towards life. The men who are preparing for wars and victory based on deaths of innocent people will join their enemy and stand in unity with them. Right? That we have seen. Now we go further on page number 96. Now on this page number, we see first 11 lines. We see the first 11 lines. They are those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade, doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. So here, those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors. So here the poet says that the people who exploit the green wealth of nature by wars or by deforestation or mining or fishing in the deep sea, the soldiers who use weapons to kill fellow human beings need some time to introspect into the consequences of their action. They are merely doing their job or following orders. Right? Then, victory with no survivors would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. So here the poet wants them to put on new clothes. Means new clothes, to put on new clothes means to adopt a new approach towards life. To adopt means to take a new approach towards life and to realize that killing so many people is not a victory. Right? So here, victory with no survivors means when the people are fighting, then the people are dying, and at that time there is victory, but victory without anyone. Right? Here the poet wants to say this thing. In the shade doing nothing, what I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Then the poet says that he wants all of us to be united as one consider our enemy to be our brother. Okay, here the poet says that everyone, though he is our enemy, is our brother. He is promoting brotherhood, peace and unity. He does not want to stop our work, but to take some time and analyze the result of our deeds. Right? So here in this stanza, the poet asks everyone to stop those activities which is damaging the environment. Today, all the human beings are making money by damaging the environment with their activities such as mining, deforestation, right, wars, etc. The poet asks us not to do so. He requests the people not to involve in wars, as there is no benefit of achieving such victory in which no one is left alive. He says to the people that they should not damage the environment. And then he wants people to adopt a new approach towards life and mankind. He also says that man should treat the enemy like his brother and promote peace and harmony in the world. Then the next paragraph, that is of 6 lines. Then he says, if we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, and for once could perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves. So what the people are doing? They are in a mad rush to accomplish all their work. To accomplish means to complete their work. Might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. And if here the poet says that if the people pause for a while, they can appreciate their achievement and their lives would become happier. He suggests that by keeping quiet, we will be able to understand the true purpose of our life. So here in this stanza, dear students, the poet wants to clarify to his reader that when he asks them to stop for saying or doing anything, he does not want anyone to become a non-active person. Non-active is a person who remains idle and does not do anything. Here, the poet simply means that we should stop and see the consequences of our deeds. The poet does not want to see people being killed due to their greed for money or expansion of territories. Further, the poet says that the people are continuously working to achieve their task or goal without even thinking about their results. They are in fear of death. Therefore, they want to achieve most of the things before their death. So here the poet urges them to stop for a while and take some moment to relish on what they have achieved till now. And they should enjoy their life. This will help the people to skip the sadness which has become so prominent in our life. The sadness of not enjoying what we have achieved and the great to achieve what next is in the list to be. So here the poet, by giving the example of nature, wants to say that all the human beings should stop and try to judge their deeds. They can try and make their life better with calmness, peace. Finally, he ends up by saying that now he will count up to 12 so that we all may become quiet. Here, quiet means to calm down ourselves and move towards the path of peace and harmony. After saying this, he says, I will go. He says so because he has conveyed his message to the people and wants them to be left alone to think about and work in the direction of peace. So, here is the poem, students, and there are 4 questions that you have to write. The first one is, what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help to achieve? Then you will write that it will allow us some moment to think and the result of our activities. People in the world are involved in war and are also damaging the environment in order to achieve their aims. Unfortunately, it is taking all of us towards our own end. So we need to think in order to achieve peace and harmony. Second question is, do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? So you have to write, no, the poet does not advocate total inactivity and death. The poet clarifies this in this poem that he wants all the people to just stop for a while in order to analyze their activities and their consequences. He wants human beings not to support war and damage to the environment. Right? In the same way, the third and fourth one question that you have to write. How? What is the sadness that the poet refers to in this poem? That the sadness is the result of our own action and deeds. According to poet, we all are in a hurry of achieving various tasks in our life. This rush sometimes proves dangerous for us. As we don't analyze our action, so we land ourselves in number of problems. These problems then become the reason of our sadness as referred to in the poem. Means the people has to keep quiet and to think about it, and then their problems will be resolved. Then the fourth question is, what symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? The poet takes the example of earth, you have to write, to prove that there can be life after stillness. The earth never gets inactive. We experience the change in the season which brings so many different things with it. In winter, things come to stand still. But as soon as the spring comes, it brings with it the lovely flowers, flowing rivers, and new life is given to the nature. So the poet wants to convey that we should stay calm, but that does not mean that it will bring total inactivity and stillness. So students, you have to prepare